This show is brought to you by Directory.com, the safest way to hire a contractor.
And we are back with the spiciest story today, Render the Roofer, the update. So about a couple months ago, I have a homeowner comment to me. Her name was Erica, Plymouth, Minnesota. Very nice lady. Just got her 2 roofs done and have a pretty spicy story of conflict with the contractor, Render the Roofer, here in Minneapolis. I tried to help the best I could. I've never met more unreasonable contractor in my life, to be honest with you. And last week, I received another complaint from homeowner in Wisconsin, where Render the Roofer actually does not even have a license. The complaint from this week was about her helping, allegedly, this homeowner. They don't have a contract. They didn't sign any paperwork and no work was done. But I guess that Render the Roofer either called the insurance to start the claim or met the adjuster maybe. Either way, homeowner decided not to go with Render the Roofer, and Render the Roofer sent her invoice and trying to collect on that invoice. So the homeowner sent me text message, Dmitry, what do I do? She's trying to collect. I don't have contract with her. She's not licensed contractor in my state. I want to deal with her. She's very nasty and bully. And then at the same time, Render the Roofer starts emailing me and a homeowner demanding me to take down the videos that we covered before. You know, interview with the homeowner, stuff like that. So here's an update. To this day, this lady, the contractor, woman-owned business, still does not want to settle, still thinks she's in the right. And if you read the comments on the original story, I would say 95% of comments siding with the homeowner. Render the Roofer have been invited to the show. I would do the podcast. I would do the call. She would not talk to me. She thinks she's in the right, but she would not talk to me, and she wants the interview with the homeowner down. So one of the nastiest woman-owned business owners that I've seen, actually have been a very nice company, Roofers Chicks, last week in Austin, Texas area, and that business absolutely blew me away. I was inspired. This one gives me different feelings. What do you guys think about this story and the whole, like, she leads with a woman own business? It's, you know, in every post and every business profile, it's that's what she is. But on the back on, it's like one of the nastiest, you know, business practices I have seen. You don't send invoices to anyone if you don't have a contract. You go away if you have a dispute. And you know, in this case, like, her roof is leaking. She was not issued a warranty, but she's still anyway, all around just horrible story. I felt like I have to give another update, and I surely do it now. What do you guys think? We actually have a couple files here we're looking at as well.
They lead with the woman-owned, Christian-owned, immigrant-owned, veteran-owned. A lot of times, if that's what they, it's okay if you are that, but when you lead with that consistently, it's almost like you think that you deserve kind of special treatment for that. And I think that sometimes that's covering up a core personality issue that seems to be coming up here.
Yes. So we have several emails here. I asked Erica to send me recent conversations, and she puts, I've never seen anybody do it in business, but every email she sends, she puts caps in it. Like, there's just, everything's just caps, like almost like she's screaming. Homeowner actually told me about it. Rates will expire at any time. We'll do our best. What do you think? Brent, where are you on the story? Like, look at this. We need your help on this one. Can you insist in the insurance contact us or pay our invoice? All caps. What a process. That's like during the...
Man, that's a little unhinged right there to type like that. What was that last one you just had up, though? It was something about being hot, cold.
Yes, it was. I mean, the whole thing, the way they talk, like, so this one, I'm a roofing contractor who installed Onyx scoring. We actually have the same rep, Steven Pavic. He was my rep for OC. And so it looks like they don't have, actually, this is not the one. They don't have the warranty on the roof, but the language she's using is really weird. She's saying that her rep will certify the roof, not Onyx scoring, but her rep, and she guarantee it. Please contact our team with a payment plan and release all money paid by insurance. We want to work with you to make a fair settlement. No further work will be done till payment made. This is back in the day. But the recent one...
I think the date's the problem. It's dated a year ago. There's an issue there on the date from the manufacturer.
Well, I think it's just a general letter issued by the manufacturer, right?
But a lot of times they date it for the homeowner that is happening to. Like that's what we get from them.
Look at this one. The OC rep will stand behind our install. The rep, not the company. We did not register a warranty for OC. We will stand behind our work. We will close the file with payment or begin the lien process for non-payment. The out-of-pocket is always the variable with the amount of rot you had from the beginning. We stood with you the whole way, and we have continued to work with you. JC or Erica, then blah, blah, blah. So anyway, OC rep will stand behind. That's a red flag for me. And we're talking about $3,000 for the skylight. So that's the amount of dispute. Look at this. Steve is our local rep. He will certify our team's work guaranteed. My home address is 4 minutes from you. I rest my case. Like, how do you interpret this? Like, Jason is smiling. What do you think? Like, who talks like that?
I don't know. I think the best thing is to have Renda on your show. And if she's an honest roofer, she'd come on your show and prove her point. But I would be disturbed that she's claiming that she lived 4 minutes from me and what she means by that.
I mean, guys, all of this over $3,000. And if I show you, we actually have pictures of the job. So they did a bathroom remodel here. And this is the work. So if you look at actual pictures, if you look at the mess, so they charged $8,000 for this. And this is the mess. I mean, you can see the furniture. I mean, the whole job, it was not a professional job by no means. And so leaked, you know, you can see the damage on the carpet. I mean, just big mess. I mean, the whole job is $30,000. There's a lot of items they did not do, and they have dispute. And after the fact, a year later, you can see that that's where it's leaking with a new roof now. So around the perimeter. So it does not have a warranty. They don't come back to fix leaks. In the wintertime, after winter, the roof leaked. And get this. In 1 year, Renda the roofer have never been on a job site. So she's a paper contractor. She keeps sending the crews. She doesn't even know what's happening there. She's so stubborn about final invoice. And we've showed her over and over again, hey, you did not do these items. It was 2 skylights she did not do but billed for. They count for more than $3,000. That's where a discrepancy comes from. That's where a homeowner says, I still have to replace my skylights. This is the amount I left from the claim. I don't owe it to you. You did not do the work. So that's the case. And my personal advice to Renda the roofer was walk away. Don't commit insurance fraud. Don't try to collect money for something you didn't do. And she's keep being her.
So is the homeowner trying to get some money back from the roofer?
No. Well, from insurance claim for the work that wasn't done. So think about if the claim, let's say $35,000, but you didn't replace skylights, you didn't do the gutters, only wants to keep the portion what insurance paid, and she still has to do. So that's the whole thing. That's the whole.
It's really odd, man. I mean, if there's stuff that, we exclude from our scope of work sometimes with insurance claims, and this is just weird. I would say be happy you got paid and drop it.
Yes. I mean, under no circumstances you call your homeowner names. You don't threat them. You obviously don't tell homeowner that you live 4 minutes from them. I mean, it is what it is. But the thing is, the Renda the roofer still does it to other people. The whole behavior needs to stop. And the simple fact that I got another call from another homeowner, I mean, just disturbing. Like, learn your lesson, because you're gonna sooner or later you're gonna start getting complaints and 1-star reviews for this kind of stuff. And then once your reputation online ruined, who's going to want to hire you? The reason people are already walking away from you, I mean, the lady in Wisconsin probably would hire her or give her a chance, but now she's hearing these stories and rent does not help her by fighting it. Anyway, very sad.
I don't know a lot about this one, but I mean, if it's $3,000, I've walked away from a lot more in the past.
Exactly, especially when it's clear and you know you did not do the work. So this is for this week, and thank you for being with us today. I'll see you on the next show.
This show is sponsored by Contractor Directory. If you ever hired the wrong contractor, you know it can turn into a nightmare. Directory helps you avoid all of that. Every pro is background checked for criminal and financial red flags. And with a $20,000 guarantee on every job, you are protected if anything goes wrong. It's totally free. Just head to directory.com or download the app from the App Store. Directory, the safest way to hire a contractor.